Hello everyone! Today I'll be making a guava jelly. This is very famous in the Philippines and we used to make this when we were kids. This has only 4 ingredients and very easy to make. First, you have to remove the ends of the guavas and cut each into cubes. Now in a medium heat, place the guava pieces into a pot. Add a liter of water or enough to cover the guavas. Cover and bring to boil, then simmer for about 10 minutes. Now the guava is cooked, then remove the cover, then stir. Mash lightly with a ladle or something similar. Allow the guava mash to cool for a few minutes. In a big bowl, position the cheesecloth. Pour over the guava mixture. Then bring over each corner of the cheesecloth towards the center. And start squeezing to strain out the juices. Continue until the juice have filtered out. In a medium heat, pour the juice into the pan. Then add a cup of sugar and a tablespoon of calamansi or lemon juice, and I'm using here a previously frozen pack. Bring to boil and stir once in a while. Then simmer until the consistency becomes thick and liquid reduced to at least half. Turn off the heat and allow to cool. So here's the finished product. Enjoy! So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.